guys, welcome back to my video. So today I just want to show you guys how I did my wigs without pulling on my edges, because the last time I did my wig it definitely pulled down my edges, and I'll just go ahead and show you that later on in the video because I forgot to show at the beginning. So right now I'm just putting on my stocking cap in nude, trying to get it correctly and make sure it's placed right. Now I'm just go ahead and brush out this wig. It is a nice bob style with a little blonde piece to it. It is a flip over wig. I should have did a video to it, but you know, my bad. And just a little information about this wig. It is a flip over synthetic lace wig. It does have a lot of parting space. I did cut the clips off the front so that it won't cut the circulation off to the front of my head, but I let the clip onto the back just so it can have a little more sturdiness. So this part is where I'm about to show you where the got to be glued gel pulled out my edges. I literally just pulled it off. I used water and everything, and I don't know what happened, but not doing it again. I just want to point that out, and you can clearly see it because I did pull it off last night as to why I did this video. Now don't get me wrong, the stocking cap method does work for a lot of people, but I don't know, it just didn't work for me that time. I think it's because I used the Got to Be Glued spray as well as the Got to Be Glued gel, but other times when I did, it didn't do this bad, but this time it did, and I don't plan on doing it ever again. I'm trying to be natural, and I just cannot have my edges coming out and looking all crazy. Now you're gonna see me a bunch of times in this video pulling out my stocking cap, just placing it right. As you see me pulling the wig, you're gonna see me maybe pull it back again just to get the stocking cap placed perfectly for me. Now I just want to zoom it in really quick just so you guys can get a closer look. Like I said, I'm not, you know, an artist at this. This is just what I do for me quickly to keep my edges from getting pulled out, and you know, just going on about my day quickly without having to do too much. As you can see, it's obviously not going right with this stocking cap. I don't know, it just keeps rolling back. It just keeps doing anything it wants to do. Plus I have some gel on under it from when I was trying to do a different style. I was trying to do a different video, but when I put the stocking cap on, I was hoping that the gel will hold the stocking cap, but for some reason, I don't know, my head's big or what, but just slipping and rolling and doing all kinds of things at once. Now I'm just about to get my Gorilla Snot gel extra hold, the yellow one. Oh, it's a little piece of braided hair on it, but whatever. And I'm gonna just gel these baby hairs down. It does really help into holding the wig down and secure, because like I said, I took the clips off and I also left the clips in the back. But doing this gel, trying to gel down some baby hairs, it really does help hold it just well enough for you to go about your day and not worry about it slipping off and pulling back and doing all this extra stuff, you know. Here I'm just adding a little swoops and stuff, you know. This is my way of trying to make it, you know, look a little bit natural for me. This is the way I like it. I like it like that, you know, have a little swoop down, you know. I was going to add some powder to it for the sake of this video, but I think I was so frustrated with this damn cap rolling back and doing all this extra stuff that I wanted to do that I just completely forgot. I was trying to rush it through, but you know, I think it still came out pretty good for the sake of this video. But if you do want some extra help with covering that cap, use some powder. So after I do my little baby hairs and gel it down, I like to just brush it over. I don't pull it back all the way under my ears where I gel down. I just gel down right in the front and comb it over. Well, this is my video. I'd like to thank you for coming. Oh, look at that braid hair, so annoying. I'd like to thank you for coming. This is the end. I want to welcome you back to come watch another video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.